Hi beautiful people, welcome back to Dacty for You channel. Today real quick I'm going to share with you how I make my tasty and easy baked tilapia recipe. So I have here one baked tilapia. So guys, I clean and cut this tilapia and then I soak it in salt water for 30 minutes. Oil, salt, onion, red and green bell pepper, Maggi stock cube, fennel seeds, rosemary, anise, habanero pepper, and ginger. So guys, what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to toss everything that is on this plate into the blender and then blend them. But I'm not going to blend it very smooth. So now I have my oil on fire and it's heated. So at this time I'm going to add in the vegetables that we blended, to wait and then let it be on fire for about 5 to 8 minutes. Then we continue. So guys, this is it. It's been 5 minutes now since we added it in, and this is how it's looking like. We're just going to let it be there for another 2 to 3 minutes. You see, you don't need to blend it very smooth. We're going to taste for salt and then add in salt if salt is needed. But remember that you soak your fish in salt water for 30 minutes, so you have to watch out how much salt you use. So now we have our baking pan here. We're going to spray it with some cooking spray and then we put on our fish. It's going to dry some of the water from the fish with paper towel. I have done the other parts already, so just dump it with some paper towel. So this is the fish. So at this time I'm going to just add the sauce that we just made all over the fish. I'm going to just put it all over the fish everywhere, then we put it in the oven. This is it. So now it's ready for the oven. Please, you have to be generous with the sauce when you are applying it. You need to be generous with it. So and then just sprinkle, just add in some sliced onions to it right before you put it in the oven. So this is it. My oven is preheated. It's on 350, so I'm just going to put it in. So now this is how it's looking like. So at this time I'm going to turn it over and then, so this is how the other side is looking like. We're just going to add in a little bit of our pepper sauce to it again, and then we will let it put it back in the oven for it be there for 15 minutes. Then our fish is all done. Guys, look at this. So this is how I make my baked tilapia recipe. Guys, look at this. So if you love this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. And please don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends, and they are going to thank you later. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye bye guys. Bye.